before we get started, let's go ahead and announce the winner for our last giveaway. Here they are. Congratulations. I will be contacting you on Instagram to get your information for your gift. Stay tuned to the end of this video for the information for our next giveaway. Everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sabrina Maria here with another video for you guys. Welcome back to everyone, and if you are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn that notification bell on so you can continue seeing videos from me. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started with this drugstore makeup. I'm starting with my e.l.f. primer. It is very important to prime your face for many different reasons. e.l.f. has tons of different types of primer. I really recommend researching the types of primers that they have. This is the e.l.f. Blemish Control Primer. I tend to break out on my forehead as well as my chin, so those are the areas that I like to pay attention to. It really helps my skin from breaking out from the foundation, as well as helping my makeup stay on and last all day long. Okay, now I usually like to put my foundation on before I do my eyebrows, but today I think I'm gonna put my eyebrows on before I put my foundation on. And we're gonna start by using my spoolie brush to get them going all the same way, all the hairs. You can get a spoolie brush at a drugstore too. Any makeup brushes, really. Not saying they're going to be the best, but you can get it there. For my eyebrow pencil, I'm using LA Colors. I got this from CVS. It was only $2.99. LA Colors dark brown brow pencil. And we're going to go ahead, and you guys know how I do my eyebrows, but if you have not seen my eyebrow tutorial, go ahead and check it out. I posted about a couple weeks ago an updated tutorial, so go ahead and check that out if you would like to see how I do my eyebrows. But I was telling you guys about the makeup brushes. So you can get makeup brushes at the drugstore. I'm not going to say that they're going to be the best makeup brushes, but you can get them there. Even Dollar Tree, I don't recommend getting it from there, but you can. Target does have a variety of different makeup brushes by different brands. I do recommend going there if you want it to go on the cheaper side. They do have makeup brushes available there, so definitely check that out if you are interested in getting some cheaper makeup brushes. But if you guys watch my Shein video, I did show you I got a whole set of 10 for only $8. No, it's not a drugstore, but you just order it. It'll be there and be at your house in about a week. Good brushes too for $8. Okay. So now that I have blended these eyebrows nicely, we're going to go ahead and apply my concealer. I'm going to be using the LA Girls Proconceal Concealer in the color Fawn. I got this from CVS. They also have it at your beauty supply store. They also have it. I've seen it. I have not seen it at Walmart. Some Targets I've seen it at, but usually I see it at CVS. CVS definitely does have LA Girls Proconceal. Now, I know a lot of people watching are from different, places and things like that. So your Walgreens, your CVS is probably going to be different from mine and what they offer. I've been to different places, and I've seen some places I've been blown away at the things that Walgreens has or the type of CVS that they have. So, so different things might be available to you than what's available to me. I'm in Georgia, so the one that I have here, my CVS, has LA Colors, they have NYX, and then they have like the regular, Revlon, CoverGirl, and all that good stuff like that, Wet n Wild and things like that. So same thing with my Walgreens, though. They do not have LA Colors products. They do not have NYX, the one that I have. But my Target, they have NYX, they have e.l.f., they have all of that, but they do not have LA Colors. So different places offer different things. It just depends on your geographical location. So majority of the products that I got, though, are from my CVS, because my CVS has NYX, they have LA Colors, they have e.l.f., all of that. So yeah, and some of these products I use not just for this video, but I use period. Okay, some of this, y'all know, y'all see my videos. I use my LA Colors concealer all the time for my eyebrows. That's my go-to, and a lot of people, that's very popular too, but a lot of people get it from the beauty supply store. But my CVS has it, and it's the same price pretty much as the one at the beauty supply store. It's about like $3.99. I'm not sure how much it is at your beauty supply store, but my beauty supply store is about $3.99, and that's how much it is also there. So for today's foundation, I'm going to be using my NYX Born to Go foundation. Got it from CVS again. It was about $8.99 at CVS. All of the products in this video will be listed in the description box. I will not be posting links because of the fact that even though the store has it, a lot of times it's not on the website. So I will just leave the product name as well as the shade that I am using so that you can search and, you know, find it wherever you see fit to find it, whether it be your beauty supply store, whether it be your Walmart, Target, CVS, wherever. A lot of the stuff I got from CVS. However, I did not see it on their website. So yeah, so I will leave that in there, so y'all keep on watching. If you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn the notifications on. Give me a like, a thumbs up on this video, and keep on watching. So now that I have this foundation blended, I'm going to go ahead and set all of this, including my eyebrows, with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus setting powder, and it is in the color Deep. Got this from CVS as well, and it was $7.99 at CVS. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply my eyeliner. I'm going to be using the Revlon liquid eyeliner pen. I actually got this from Walgreens, and it was $6.99. For my mascara, I'm going to be using the Falsies mascara by Maybelline. I got this from Walmart, and I believe it was $5.99 at Walmart. So now I'm going to use this setting spray. It's actually a primer setting spray and a refreshing spray by NYX. I got it from CVS. It was $8.99 at CVS, and I absolutely love this product because you can use it for multiple things. I'm using it right now to wet my blending sponge, and I use it to sometimes prime my face. I use it to set my face. It just works as so many different things, and I just love it. And sometimes, like throughout the day, or if I stop somewhere and come home and I need to go back out, I'll spray that on my face and then just get my sponge and touch up different areas. So I love that spray because it's just like multi-purpose. You can use it for anything. So now we're going to go ahead and highlight and contour. If you haven't seen my updated highlighter and contouring video, please go ahead and check that out. I'm using my LA Colors concealer, the same concealer I use in my eyebrows, I'm using to highlight as well. So I'm going to go ahead and use that with my sponge. Again, with the sponge, you can get a sponge anywhere as well. You can get one from Walmart, CVS, Walgreens, Target. They all have sponges. They have sponges and also makeup brushes. So make sure you check that out. But I'm just blending. If you want the details, check out the updated video. Okay, so I forgot to tell y'all, there is one product that is not from a drugstore. It is my Sasha Buttercup setting powder, and this is from Amazon. I will post that link in the description box, but I have to use this product. This is one of my favorite at setting powders, and I cannot find a drugstore setting powder that I like, you know, from a drugstore. If you guys know of one, please leave me a comment. Comment down below what drugstore setting powder is really good for highlighting. Please let me know because I have not found one, and I like to stick with what I like. You know, I love Sasha Buttercup. So if you find one at a drugstore that's really good, leave me a comment down below and let me know so I can check it out, okay? But we're going to go ahead and apply this. Again, if you want to know all the details about what I'm doing, check out that highlighting and contouring video. Did y'all subscribe yet? If you didn't, go ahead and subscribe, especially if you want to enter in this giveaway, because that's like one of the main things you have to do. Subscribe and like this video. So y'all can go ahead and get that out the way now. You know, just go ahead and subscribe and hit the like button, and there you go. Okay. So next I'm going to be using my True Complexion Contour Palette by Black Radiance. I got it from Walmart. I think it was about $6 or $7.99 at Walmart. This is the color medium to dark. And like I told you guys, a lot of the products that I am actually using in this video is not just for this video. I use it all the time. If you are a, one of my true followers that watches all my videos, you see this contour palette all the time. I love using it. It's perfect for my skin, perfect for my complexion. I don't even think I've ever used another contour palette. I really don't. I use this one all the time. It's just perfect. It has everything I need right in one little kit. Doesn't cost much and it does the job. Okay, so go ahead and check that out. I will leave it in the description box. All right, so now we're going to apply these lashes. These are my cat eye lashes that I love. They're called Wonder Cat, and I got these, as you can see, it said $2.99 on there. They're from my beauty supply store. I've seen them at multiple beauty supply stores, so check your local beauty supply store. No, it's not a drugstore, I know, but I did get it from my beauty supply store. Now, if you did want to get some lashes from the beauty supply store, the lashes that I use from the beauty supply store that I have used before in the past are my Kiss lashes. So, but I couldn't find the ones that I wanted, the flutter ones that I wanted. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get these lips together. My NYX pencil, I got it from CVS. It is like a burgundy color. I'm not sure the exact color. I'll leave it in the description box below. But it is like a burgundy color. I always like to line my lips because I have really full lips, so I feel like contouring my lips really helps frame them and not make them look bigger than what they really are. So I'm framing them with this lip liner, and then I'm going to go in with my Revlon lipstick, matte lipstick, and yeah, blend this all together, get an ombre look going on. Okay. So I really love this lip color. Like, it is so vibrant. It just pops. Like, this is really cute. I love this lip color, and it comes in different colors. This particular Revlon lipstick comes in different colors, and I love it. I love that it has the applicator stick. I don't even really use lipstick anymore. I usually, even if I want to go for a matte look, a lot of glosses, well, it's not really a gloss, but they come with the applicator stick, and it's just, these lippies, they're matte now, so I don't even use lipstick anymore that much. So as you can see, I set it with my Bear With Me NYX spray to give it a nice glow and everything set in, and here is the finished product. I love it, y'all. It's simple, and the lip just adds the right touches to it to give it that pop. It's simple, it's easy. This can be just like a regular makeup routine. If you guys like an everyday makeup routine, you can get all of the makeup from drugstores. You don't have to get high-end makeup to look gorgeous. To have a glam look, you don't have to have high-end makeup and spend a lot of money, okay? All right, guys, let's go ahead and get into this giveaway. All right, guys, so for this giveaway, the winner will be receiving a $20 Target gift card. Yes, you heard it right, a $20 Target gift card. When the winner is chosen, I will contact them on Instagram and get their email address, and the $20 gift card will be sent to your email. A lot of the products that I used in this video are available at Target. Or if there's anything else that you need from Target that you want to get, you don't have to get makeup. So here are the rules. The giveaway ends on March 31st, 2021, so everything must be done by then. So I'm hoping that you already subscribed. If you haven't, go ahead and do that now. And I'm hoping that you already liked this video. But if you haven't, go ahead and do that now. Go ahead and hit that share button and share this video. And then go ahead and head over to Instagram and follow me at Sabrina_Maria. Then answer this question: where did I get the eyeliner used in this video? Leave me a comment down below with your IG name and the answer to that question, and you will be entered into the giveaway. Stay tuned for the next makeup video so you can see who the winner is. Thank you all so much for tuning into this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you haven't already done so, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you guys next time. Be blessed.